Ogbonge. We are my fans. I want to talk. Story. I want to talk now. Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. Good morning.
Good evening.
Good evening, good day, good night. Okay, please share. Once we are 50 or 500, before I will break this news. So how many are we? 14. Please load this thing I have. How many? I know we are at work. Clara, good afternoon. Good evening. 40 now, 44. Yes, we can do better. 53. We can do better than this. My people. I know so they work. I know so we on day work. Once we are 100 evenings now, I say they keep my people around. But on the mago we are Z. I say no. I need to voice out. You're choking. So once we're on 100, I will kick off. I'm 100 now. Yeah. Good afternoon. Good evening. I want to officially. Baba, good afternoon. Okay, sorry. This comment. The one more in the comment. Yes. Oh, 130 now. So I said 100 before. You can start now. Right. I've got in the house the sons of Edo music legends. They are in the building with me today. I'm going to talk about our story 4. We know we have the first edition, the second edition, the third edition. Now we are coming with the 4th edition, which is going to be a boom online. If I say the first 3, Mecca will see. So on my right hand side, let me start with Bayo Ade Jr.
Ade, yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you're watching us from. We are here in one love, unity, to give you story 4. This one will choke.
No, Mayo.
Well, good morning, my favorite man. This is Jolly Sharon no Mayo. Story 1, story 2, story 3, story 4. Boom!
The 1 or 2, more running.
Person.
Where you go? Greetings, my people. Why yari. Marine, story 4. You did.
Yes, sir.
What me so?
Oh,
Yari.
It's okay to boy.
If you don't know Adomo, you were it's okay. The captain of Edo music.
Captain.
And then when story 4 is coming on your doorstep now.
So
on
why? Because the first one and the second one.
Yeah.
Waka warning. Third one. The first one where last
first one in my own, the second one my own reference here. Okay, I don't know
all right. Let me come to Smiler. It's not like I tell you.
This is your guy in Ogbonge, one of UK. My name is Kelvin Alaska. Yeah, this is Prince Kelvin Alaska. In case you don't know, story 4 is on your doorstep. Coming now, walao. My first song, mo alagbode. My first song again. You my planning on that day. So you people should get ready for us. So walao. So mo alagbode. First song of Nomayo Alagbode of Alaska. Alagbode of Alaska. Or when even Wayado. I agree to.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, to boy. We have one.
I don't want to why. It's a boy, okay, Junior. I don't want to why. I agree to you all. Wherever you're watching us from, I greet you.
We are in walk away, but the voice of our soul.
Story 4 on the way. Honor is the baddest.
I know.
About the way. So what you're going to see this one, all here sweep off your feet.
Yes, sir.
Watch out. Story 4.
Yeah. I've got influence.
Yes, man, close my door so that me 24 before not give me corona.
Away one.
I don't close that now.
Away 1, away 2. 3.
Choke one. 24 beats coming again. Oh yeah now. Story. 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 See influence the corner. Who did that? About talk by.
They are going to have behind the scene. When a man push 24 bit Yahweh, they've been behind the house. So I want to put them whatever you have. 1,000 views already. Wow, this is great.
Oh wow.
Even the power engine of 24 bit with
The O22.
Yeah, no point.
Yeah, Baba Wanga.
Yeah, no point.
The boss.
Yeah, there, so they say hello to you guys.
Hello, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Casey. Nice to meet you, everybody. Story 4 is massive and it's coming your way very soon. Thank you for supporting 24 Bits.
Thank you.
Because in Nigeria, I'm not getting here to do more by me. Maybe I don't say I get enough.
Yes, no.
You see, this is the brand new 24 bits. The brand new 24 bit story. This is the 4th edition. That is 2 points ahead of the other 3 editions you've seen. It's nothing you have ever seen before. Watch out. 24 bit story 4 coming your way soon.
Wow. Now, where all those beats were only. No point. Now we've got Faith and Production.
The ancient of days.
I'm a small boy now. What you
You are the old pussycat of all beats.
Yeah, this is Field Town production of the production fame in those states. And story for okay, story for this time. Who's what? And you know, story for it's coming soon. This don't be time to run kitty kitty, run kata kata. Exactly. You know, so it's coming to your doorstep. Just watch out.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now, just one quick one. Commenters, yeah, we that shade the cover a faces so.
That shit.
They why it happy am.
The shade in here. I want to
When you say no shade,
When I'm going with other way. So now I expect story 2.
I'm bleaching.
Story 2. Becky sit down for us.
Story.
1.5K
For you.
Story. To you. Yeah, go.
Kpeme.
Subscribe to 24 Beats on YouTube channel.
Yes, so subscribe.
Okay.
Yes, can you give them the Instagram details again? 24 Beats. Just go on that page, follow us. Lots of news coming up on that page. We've got lots of information on that page you wouldn't find on that page. You won't find on Facebook. Go subscribe to 24 Beats Instagram. Follow us on 24 Beats on YouTube, and you get lots of information about the 24 Beats family on those pages. Thank you very much. So everyone, thank you. Don't want to stay. The noise is
On the second remembrance. Please, on the second remembrance, 20 years. On the second, yeah. February at 2 hours, College Road. Please. On the second February. Nala owo na go nala owo.
That's the second. Please, on the second to Ana Bayore no Mayore, Nala na de. Bayore person re egui person no the Oga Lagbo de Oga Laska. The Wesley Hotel. Utana do the Timbermenti na Lahore.
Wow.
Yeah, how much instruments in a way? Yeah, much instruments one can.
One can.
All right, my time story for coming soon. So please subscribe to our page, Instagram, 24-bit family, and Facebook 24-bit, YouTube 24-bit. YouTube 24-bit, all the social media 24-bit. I love you guys. Waya Weso, Waya Papa.
24 minutes. Can we just attend to one
Question. Because
okay.
Numbers, I beg again. So on the before middle of next month, we'll be coming out with tourism report. You get any information on us?
Okay.
It's okay. I've got this for us. Go ahead.
Anyway, what's up? I think the news radio. Even if money we go man. Money film was me setting ija. Ke ni ya ke UK re. Iga re UK, money we go me UK. Ni ke yare na. Wa we say wa la wa ke me DVL. Me wo say o. Era me daddy don't deaf. Shake don't deaf. Nah. I want to buy you. I want you to show me him. Then the governor of UK, that is Suku, West Baba. And when you know UK, no, you know Dublin, Wayato.
Benin Cafe, Canada, Mr. and Mrs. Omoruna. Hey, why is it all? My veteran allow yes, it's sharp. Yes, it's me. Jolly, I want to make your friend in Glasgow. First song, Jolly. I want to bet you is it. Andrew. If you have to have a law, also about a better
So everyone also wanted this course of just one day I will appreciate you guys, everybody in London, in Manchester, Australia, Glamour Kitchen. We appreciate you guys. Mama, everyone that supported us in UK. We say we love you guys. Glamour Kitchen. So thank you guys. We love you guys. We know you guys. Talk to them from different corners. So thank you guys. See you soon with the next information. Bye.